friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Primo SpongeBob from Brawl Stars. So first we're going to get started in the middle with our nose, and we're going to start by drawing in a circle. We're going to move over, leaving a gap on the right hand side, and for the cheek we're just going to curve this line around and then down. And then leaving an even amount of space on the left hand side as well. Let's replicate that. On the top right hand side, now we're going to draw in a small circle, and then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left hand side. Moving down from that now on a diagonal, we're going to draw in another circle on the top. And then moving across on the right, let's replicate that one more time. Now coming underneath, we're just going to draw in a curved line that arches over on both sides. And now let's move up and draw in the eyes. So coming further up, we're just going to curve another line that arches around for the bottom of the circle for the eye. And now as we move over on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then out towards the side. And we're going to leave a gap on the left and replicate that again, ending that so it's at roughly the same height. Now from here, starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then in on the top. Now coming over towards the left-hand corner, we're going to draw in a circle for the pupil of the eye. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side, lining that up at the same height. In the middle now, we're going to draw in another circle. For the eyelashes on top now, on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line up, curving that at the top, and then bringing that back down. We'll do the same thing on the left-hand side, bringing that up, across, and then back down. Moving in towards the middle now, we'll replicate that, bringing that up, across, back down. And then one last time as we move down on a diagonal, let's replicate that again. Now let's draw on the rest of the face. So coming around the eye on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then from here, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that curves in towards the top. Now from here, from that point, we're just going to curve this line back down and then in towards the eye. From the center now, we're going to curve this line out towards our eyelashes on both sides. And then we're going to continue to bring this curved line through behind our eyelashes all the way around, ending that at the corner on the side. Now let's move underneath and draw in the mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to curve this line at the edge, curving that around and then down. And then now we're going to close this line off on the bottom, arching this line around and then up on the side. For the tooth, we're going to draw in a square, bringing this over and then back up on the left. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now for the tongue, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. Now above, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. And now let's draw in the shape of the head. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side on the bottom, and we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to continue to extend this line all the way around and then up on the right-hand side, extending that past the eyes. Now we're going to draw a wavy line as we come out on a diagonal to the side of our page. So starting back on this line, we're just going to draw in a wavy line, coming further out towards the top of our page as we do this. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, starting further in, gradually with our wavy line, bringing this over and up towards the side of our page. Now on each corner, we're just going to round that line out, curving this line in. And then again, we're just going to continue to bring this wavy line all the way across. And over towards the right. On the bottom underneath the chin now, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines that arch down on both sides. And then underneath, we're going to draw in the letter W. Now we're going to draw in the holes on the face. So on the top, we're going to draw in an oval. Moving over on the right, we're going to draw in a smaller circle. Coming down on the right-hand side now, we're going to draw in another oval. And then again, one more time as we move down. Let's move over on the left-hand side, drawing in another oval. And then up on a diagonal, replicating that, just making it smaller. And then again, we're going to draw in a big oval on the left-hand side. And then moving down, just replicating that once more. And that is it. That's how you draw El Primo SpongeBob for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.